Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the rhythm guitar chord progression number 3 to the chords of G major, D major, E minor, and C major. This will be a fun chord progression. If you're not a current subscriber, be sure and subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I can easily be found when new videos have been uploaded. So let's get started. Okay, the chords I'll be using are G major, D major, E minor, and C major. Okay, this chord progression will be played in 4/4 time, so there's 4 beats per measure, and I'll be using a strumming pattern of So now let's play this chord progression using a guitar jam track. It'll be guitar jam track number 3A, number 3A. So here we go. Okay, great job. Hopefully you enjoyed playing through that chord progression. Very easy and very beautiful chords to play. Be sure and visit my other rhythm guitar chord progressions in my playlist. If you enjoyed this lesson, be sure and give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate that very much. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation. Just bookmarks my channel on your subscriptions so I can easily be found. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. Have a blessed day. God bless you.